Instagram allows you to remove account that you do not want it in your login list. And I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. Today we'll learn how to remove Instagram account from your login list. For that, make sure to install Instagram and make sure to get logged in through your own account just like me. Now what you need to do is tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner and then tap on these three straight horizontal lines on the top right corner. As you do it, tap on settings option. Now scroll down and on the bottom you can see an option of logout. Tap on logout option and then tap on logout option once again. As you do it, you will get the option of the login list that's on your Instagram. So the thing that you can do is tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. So if you want to remove it, all you have to do is tap on that particular account and then tap on remove profile. So here you can see that you will need to enter your username and password the next time you log in. But still, if you want to remove it from your login list, all you have to do is tap on remove option. So it has been removed from this device already. This is how you remove Instagram account from your login list. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.